is the puzzle grid for the 3B puzzles. There are two parts here, the first of which is on the top right. These are the given letters which you are meant to place into the grid. The grid, of course, is the second part, which is a triangular area made up of hexagons. Around the grid, you'll see 3 red arrows, which are used to indicate the direction of each of the 3 words you will place into the grid. For example, the word love might be written along the bottom, with the L in the leftmost hex and the E in the rightmost hex. The L now becomes the first letter of the word on the left side, going in an upward direction, and the E becomes the last letter of the word on the right side, coming in a downward direction. The way I like to solve these is by finding word pairs. So, I'll first pick a letter, usually a consonant, and see what words I can make with it. So I'll start with the H. Alright, let's see. H-A-I-R, alright. So we have hair, and then with the H as the first letter again, I can make, I can make hood, H-O-O-D. But then I would need to start on my third word with the D and end it with the R. I only have an A and an S left, so this is clearly not the correct answer. Neither D-A-S-R nor D-S-A-R will give us a word. Alright, well, let's try it again then, shall we? I'll start with the S. Let's see. Yes, alright then, S-A-I-D. That's a good start. And then we have, we have shoe, S-H-O-O. No. No, this isn't going to work either. So you can see the importance of working with the word pairs. You can eliminate a lot of letters this way. Very well, let's try the D next, shall we? We have, let's see, sticking with the O-O combination, we have door, D-O-O-R, which leaves me with, well, alright, D-A-S-H, right? Then we have an A and an I left, so that's hair. Alright, see? H-A-I-R. And that solves it. However, just because we managed to solve it with these 3 words, that doesn't mean that we might not be able to solve it differently. Using our final consonant, the one we haven't started with yet, the R, let's see what we can come up with. So, R-A-I-D, raid, alright, that's that. Then, using the same R, we have, it looks like rash, R-A-S-H, which gives us the H and the D as the first and last letters, and just 2 O's left, and we're back to the O-O combination. So hood is back. Alright then, so that solves it the second time. So often, there is more than one solution to the puzzle. Start with word pairs, see what's left, play around with the letters, do your best, and have fun. And if you enjoy these, remember you can always find more great puzzle books at rabbitfroggames.com. Cheers!